Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make fake blood for a scary movie because Halloween is coming up in just like a few more months, so yeah, a few more months, right? Yes! Okay. The supplies you will need to make fake blood. You will need this little plunger thing to suck up things, a straw, of course, food coloring, a little cup with water. I already started, but it's okay. Some paper towels, and a tap towel, and of course, an LPS you do not like. And just to warn you, like, I don't want to mess up this LPS. Still, if I don't even like it, it does come off just in case you use too much. Okay, so yeah. First thing you want to do is fill the little cup with water. I already started, but yeah. Then you want to put 4 drops of red food coloring. And then, after that, you're going to want to mix it with the straw. And then you want to get your Dowling Adventure thingy. Want to suck it up a little, put it in the water, and just suck it up. You don't want too much because it makes a really big mess. And it's not actually just water, but dang, I made a big mess. I didn't suck it. Sorry. I'm a mess right here right now. So okay. Now you want to get your LPS. Put me aside. Want to move all this. You want to get your napkin, the dry one. Put it on there. Get this with a little bit, and you can see how the blood works. You got shot in the head. It didn't work. Let me do it again. Sorry. It's gonna be a bigger mess this time. Okay, that's a lot. So, actually looks like really blood when it drizzles down, but it just comes off for some reason because it's water. Red water. I'll put that on there. And then you mess with the napkin. Get the wet one. Just wash the spot. You see there are red. And there you go. She's not marked. I don't. Well, maybe right there until it's stuck. But all that can come off too. So, you're done. So, comment, subscribe, and I'll be doing tears right after this video. Thank you. Wait. Bye. Comment, subscribe, and dislike and like. Thank you.